A video resume allows you to speak directly to your potential employer about what makes you uniquely qualified for the role. It could be a strong addition to your application and help you better distinguish yourself from other applicants through your personality and creativity. Hi, I'm Josh from Wondershare DemoCreator. In this video, we'll discuss what a video resume is and explore how to create one that is effective and engaging. Sure, if this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you don't miss the latest tips and tricks for video creation. A video resume is a short video to introduce yourself to the hiring manager or recruiter. It is often submitted in addition to a resume and cover letter. You can use the video resume to highlight a skill or experience to show that you're a perfect fit for the position. It also lets you show how your creative and personality are a match for the company's culture. An effective video resume is between 30 seconds to 2 minutes long. Just like this.
Hello, my name is Josh. I would like to apply for the position of YouTube presenter at Wondershare. Here you can see all of my qualifications and my experience, which means that I am eligible for this position.
Okay, so that was my video resume. Do you want to know how to make it? Well, please keep watching. Making a video resume is a different process from designing a resume or writing a cover letter. It requires stage preparation and technical skills such as visual storytelling and editing. Here are the steps to making a video resume. Number 1, write a script. In this first step, make a plan for what you want the video to look like. Consider whether you just want to be able to sit in front of the camera and speak, or if you'd like to add action shots of you demonstrating skills. If you incorporate action, write out each step of the video so you understand its chronology. In addition to what the video looks like, you should also outline what you want to say. If you want to sound more conversational rather than rehearsed, consider writing bullet points of the specific skills, experience, and qualifications that you want to highlight. If you'd prefer to sound rehearsed and be a bit more polished, then write out exactly what you want to say, word for word. Number 2, prepare a filming space. If you have shots of you sitting and speaking directly to the camera, set up a space with a neutral background and attractive lighting. You can include props that seem natural to the environment and do not distract the viewer from you. If you plan to include action shots, then be sure the necessary props and equipment populate the space. You may also consider limiting the number of people in the background or those that appear with you in frame. What's more, you could prepare a green background if you want to add some particular experience and make your video more engaging. Number 3, set up a recording device. Choose a recording device, either a smartphone, tablet, computer webcam, or a camera that can capture high quality images and audio to ensure your face and other images, as well as your speech, are clear. Set the recording device high enough to capture your face and shoulders far away that your whole profile is in the frame, a little bit like I am now. If you're incorporating action shots into your video, then be sure that the device captures you fully. Number 4, edit the video. Review all the footage that you've captured and select the best takes. Using your script or outline, you can begin cutting and assembling footage to fit the story you created. You can also add in the additional visuals, such as references to achievements or awards, under the audio of you speaking to visually demonstrate what you're discussing. To compile the video, you can use editing software or an application that allows you to cut, organize, and save videos. Some computers, tablets, and smartphones come equipped with video editing capabilities as well. But here, I highly recommend Wondershare DemoCreator, an all-in-one screen recorder and video editor. DemoCreator has a ton of cool features and effects available for you to take your videos to the next level. So if you've got some footage lying around on your computer or your hard drive, then I'm going to show you how easy it is to take that footage and turn it into something awesome, an awesome video resume. Now, let's begin. First, you'll need Wondershare DemoCreator. And if you haven't updated or downloaded it yet and you're new to Wondershare DemoCreator, well, you can download it for free by clicking the link in the description. After downloading and launching the Wondershare DemoCreator program, you can see several options for you to choose from. If you want to record with your computer webcam, you can select the New Recording and Start Recording. For a detailed webcam recording method, you can click the top right corner to know more. But in this video, I will just show you how to edit your video resume. So you need to click the video editor button to start your video resume making. Next, you need to bring in any photos or videos that you want to add into your video resume in DemoCreator. You can do that by clicking on the import icon to import media files and drag your favorite clips to the timeline. Now you have a base for your video resume, and you can technically export the video directly, but that might be a little boring. So let's use some features in DemoCreator to level up your video resume. First, let's start by adding a title to the start of the video resume and fade it right into the footage. On the Captions tab, there's a variety of titles and openers that you can use and customize for your videos. For this slideshow, I'm going to keep it simple. So I choose a primary text title against a black background. What I need to do is drag and drop it on the timeline. Before that, please select all your photo or video footage and drag them right so you have a position for this title opener. After that, you can double click the text title to change and adjust the text. For example, you can change the text font, text size, text color, text border, and so on. But I like this current type, so I just changed the title name. What's more, if you want to add more text and title on your video resume, just select the wanted text type, drag it onto the timeline, and edit it as you like. It's just super easy. But in this video, I shot a short green screen video to introduce myself. So I need to use the green screen function to replace the background and make it look more engaging. You can go to the Effects tab, choose the green screen, and drag it on the video track. Then adjust it as you like. Now, you might notice that some videos and photos don't match the size of the project. This will result in black bars around the clips, but for some, that might be the look that you're going for. But in general, we don't like these black bars, so let's remove them. You can do two things. You can double click on the clip, and on the right editing window under Transform, you can just adjust the size of the clip by sliding the slider under Scale. This will zoom in on the image and remove any black bars around the clips. For clips that are vertically scaling the image, you might cut off some of the really cool parts that you want to show on the slideshow. You can do that by dragging the video clip border to adjust. You can also check the rest of the images one by one in this way. When mixing video footage and photos, sometimes going from a video clip to a photo looks a bit jarring. So we're going to add transitions to the slideshow to smooth things out and add some excitement for the viewers. Wondershare DemoCreator has built-in transitions, so all you have to do is find the one you like and drag it between the clips. You can also adjust the transitions by dragging the transition effect and adjusting the duration, or click to delete and place the transition. So the video resume is looking pretty good, but let's add a few extras to tie everything together. And I want to add some sticker effects to the entire video resume. In the Stickers tab, there are lots of effects available for you. You can select what you want and drag it on the timeline, and change the position or adjust the size by dragging the border or using the edit tool on the right editing window. At this point, the entire video resume almost looks complete. But if you want to make your video more appealing, it's recommended that you add suitable music. Last but not least, I want to add a little bit of music to my video resume. You can download some music on a royalty-free site, and you can also import your own music files into DemoCreator. But make sure that you have the rights or permissions to use the music. After I edit the song to the timeline, I want the music to match the clips in the slideshow, so I need to cut the unwanted part. You can adjust it by selecting the music track and right-clicking to choose Cut, or select the music track and click the split icon. After that, you can adjust the music volume, set an audio fade in and fade out in DemoCreator. To do that, you just need to right-click on the audio track and select Edit Audio. Then a hand icon will appear, and you can just adjust the volume by dragging the hand. What's more, there's a small round dot at the start and end of the track. You can click and drag it to set the fade in and fade out. Okay, so now you can see how I've got a fantastic video resume. It's true that a video resume doesn't work for everyone, but just imagine how you'll stand out from other candidates in those instances where it's appropriate. Hopefully, you'll nail that dream job. And do tell us about the video resume that you made in the comments. Finally, if you want to see more videos, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you next time.